Nongialam ke NPP urakam sangmau la Ther Tyngeh ke BJP baka Kham Phaikhmat sha ke Hindutva banya ka sensyar khadar hagini ki shipos nem balalet ulakan tho baka ne kalong ka jingkir siuthia uniu Nongialam ke NPP laong baka seng kan sa syong perkhat ban khmi halor ka jingmi na ka election Lok Sabha hakajuk ke por ke NPP kelap tha ye udkhot ke Lok Sabha uba Ricky AJ Singkon ban pin ko ungu ika sarkar pedeng ban pin tray kami ka ILP ha ke jilla urakam la ongru ba UMP bla job laisen uba Vincent H Pala shimla la ban pin ko ungu ika sarkar pedeng ban pin tray kami ka ILP ha ke jilla bat minta ka jingkit clear ka shong ha UMP ka VPP ban pin dep ya ka kam
about alliance. It is not about alliance. It's a what you call people has brushed NPP with the BJP this time, but it's completely different, right? It's also really listen for the BJP also because they always talk about their ideology rather than governance. But I hope this NDA government will be the balanced government and will certainly being the part of the NDA we will continue to get the benefit of the central government. Listen for it's a wake-up call for everybody and we accept what happens. So maybe happen for the best. We will still definitely NPP will come back strong in serving, working and protecting the troubles and the peoples. In retrospect, our honorable chief minister, our president will call for the maybe call for a meeting of review of all the party workers.